up $542,000 today?
Professional Polymarket traders aren't winning because they're smarter than you. They're winning because they are using better tools. In today's video, I'll show you the best free tool so you can get quicker transactions, track whales and insiders, and get more information than all the other prediction market traders. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is get early access to Bullpen. You can go to the first link in the description and it will send you directly to the site with the early access code already applied. Choose your sign up option. Personally, I like using Google. And the first thing you will notice when signing into Bullpen is that you are able to sign up and trade from anywhere in the world. Unlike Polymarket, which bans US users in over 30 countries, Bullpen completely bypasses this ban without needing any other tools like VPNs. The first thing I recommend you do once signing up to Bullpen is go and link your X. Connecting your Twitter will help you connect with other traders, and your name will show up on the Bullpen leaderboard, where you can then flex your wins and gain exposure. After you signed up and connected your Twitter, we now need to fund our wallets so that we can start trading. When you head over to the wallet tab, you will notice that there are 3 different types of wallets. You have your Solana wallet, your Hyperliquid wallet, and your Polymarket wallet. This is because Bullpen is a all-in-one platform. You can trade Solana meme coins, spot crypto, Hyperliquid perps, and Polymarket's prediction markets. The easiest way I found to fund my wallet was just to send USDC through Solana, and then from there you can easily use the transfer tool and transfer between any wallet you want. So if you want to trade perps, send that over to your Hyperliquid perps wallet, or if you want to get into prediction markets, just send that over to your prediction market wallet. Now let's say you've been trading on Polymarket for a while now and you just want a little bit more edge. You can easily import your Polymarket account by clicking import account on the Polymarket wallet. Just follow the steps, it's super easy, and then you're good to go. Okay, now that you deposited into your wallet, what do we do? How do we start trading these prediction markets? When you head over to the market tab, you can see there's so many different markets you could be trading, right? We have sports, we have crypto, and we have all of these different Polymarket prediction markets. What will the price of Bitcoin be in January? Who will be the Democratic presidential nominee? Who will win the Super Bowl? The best thing about Polymarket is there is a market for everyone. You can trade pop culture, politics, elections, even the price of random minerals. So let's say you're better with politics. You follow all of the new political news that comes out on the daily. You're probably going to want to dabble in those political markets. So all you have to do is come up to the filters tab, and you can see here we have trending, breaking, new, and so on. All we have to do is, if we want to see political markets, just click on political markets. And just like that, we have all of the trending political markets right here. Let's say politics isn't for you, and maybe you know a little bit more about pop culture. All you have to do, just click on the pop culture, and here you can see all of the trending pop culture categories and, these trades that you can literally take and potentially make a lot of money on. So for example, right here, let's say we know exactly who's going to win Mr. Beast's games. All we have to do is double click on the card, and you could see just like that, we have opened up the trading panel. You could see all of the highest odd outcomes. We can bet on the 2% or the 79%, all of these outcomes. And of course, we can also go to analytics, and this is where Bullpen really shines. You can see right here, we have so many different analytics of the top holders. Are they whales? Are they smart traders? Do they know what they're doing, or are they just placing blind bets? But in my personal opinion, I would not tell a beginner to start on these markets right here. Now, the reason for this is because these markets are kind of like gambling, okay? If you don't actually have an edge in these markets, you're probably going to lose your money in the long run. So my favorite market to trade are these 15-minute crypto markets. The reason for this is because they resolve really quickly. Literally every 15 minutes, you can take a new trade and you can start learning these games and how they actually move without having to wait days for a certain market to resolve. I made a full YouTube video on how I made 1,500% gains in 3 days with my 15-minute crypto strategy. I'll link it in the card above if you guys want to check that out and start trading these crypto markets. Now, let's say you don't want to risk all your money on sports betting or trading the crypto markets. In my opinion, the best market to trade if you want to minimize risk while still getting decent rewards is called bond markets. Okay, these bond markets are going to net very low returns, right? We're normally looking for, 5 to 2% returns, but if you keep stacking up those wins, you're going to make a lot of money. So all you have to do to trade these bond markets is go to predictions, click on the filters tab right here to show it. We're going to want closing time to be under 7 days, right? Because we don't want to be in these trades for weeks. We want it to be, 1 week trade, not 4. And all we have to do is scroll until we find a really good market. So this one right here, US strikes on Iran. You can see right here, there's a 90% chance that the US will not strike Iran by January 31st. If we bought this share right now, we would only have to wait 3 days, and the likelihood of us winning is so high that it's worth the risk. And this is what smart traders do. They keep stacking these easy wins, and they just slowly compound them. 10% might not sound like much, but if you look at the overall stock market only grows around 15% per year. So if you're able to make 10% gains every 2-3 days, you're going to multiply your portfolio very quickly. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys is the wallet tracking software. If we head over to Wallet Scope right here, we are able to see all of the whales who are currently buying positions. It can be very good to track these whales and insiders to find out what they're buying, where their conviction's going, so we can get in before everybody else does. These are my favorite settings for finding insiders. We're going to want minimum lifetime P&L to be over $100,000, and we're going to want their minimum trade size to be over 1,000. This will show us where all of big money is stacking. You can see literally just a minute ago, a whale put a $520,000 bet on a soccer game. All you have to do is click his profile right here, and you can see he has made almost $1 million trading Polymarket. All we have to do to start tracking his wallet is just click track his wallet. And just like that, we've literally found a whale, so we can copy trade them if we want to. If you click on his profile, we can see all his trades, even his closed trades right here. He made $3.4 million off of some of these soccer bets. So when I see someone like this, I automatically think this guy knows what he's talking about. Definitely someone you might want to track. And then if you want to access your tracker right here, you can go over to live trades and you can see all the trades he has been taking. And it looks like he's been taking a lot of soccer trades for today. So potentially you could be taking these trades with him and winning. Anyways, boys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys learned a lot about how to start trading these Polymarket markets with more edge than anybody else. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the global Bullpen leaderboard. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.